Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how to work transistor and how to make amplifier circuit. I think if you can show this video, then you can learn what how to work this process. And let's go. We are uh, understanding the full process. Okay. So dear all, I lawyers do the work electrical and electronics, but I don't know why people cannot this work process. I think uh, here electricity has gone, so now life is end because I have no electricity. I am live the next time electricity has gone. After I will try to uh, work by mobile data. So here we show that some spare parts in this PCB board. We know perfectly. We know perfectly. Perfectly uh, two ceramic resistor. This ceramic resistor is 5 watt 20 point 22 ohms. Never it is 22 ohms, only 0.22 ohms, just under 1 ohms. Okay, this resistor values. So they are all here. Amplifier circuit most use capacitor. Without capacitor, not possible make amplifier circuit. So there all I making a circuit. Just wait and see the videos step by step. I am at first description.